Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share something just a little bit different with you guys. Today I wanted to show you guys how I've decorated my living room. Some of you guys may know this and some of you may not. I have a background in property management, so I was with a residential property management group for forever, for about 6.5 years. So when it comes to how to decorate an apartment, when it comes to how to decorate a small space, you know, making a small space feel cozy and comfortable and making it feel like home, I feel like I am pretty knowledgeable in regards to, you know, that scope. Right now I am in the commercial side of the property management real estate world, but like I said, I do have almost about 6.5 years of it in the residential side, so apartment homes and, you know, just how to curate a small space. With that being said, I really wanted to showcase my living room to you guys. Me and my boyfriend moved into our new space about 6.5 months ago, and I know when we first moved in, we were super excited to decorate because we just absolutely love our space. I mean, it's a beautiful space, and we really wanted to elevate it and just make it look a little bit more chic and a little bit more grown up. So we invested in some pieces, and then some pieces weren't huge investment pieces, but they still make our space feel like home. And I shared a couple of photos of what my space looks like over on my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me over there, make sure that you guys go ahead and follow me over there. Don't miss out on home stuff or fashion stuff or beauty stuff or whatever it is that I'm sharing. Make sure you guys follow me over there. But yeah, I think overall I'm really passionate about home decor, interior decorating. I am somebody that got a lot of my home interests from Pinterest. I created a whole little folder thing that had home decor inspiration in it. So living room, dining room, my beauty space, which is still kind of coming together, my bedroom, what I wanted things to look like, and just kind of curated pieces around that. If you guys enjoyed the video, before we get started though, if you guys do like these kinds of videos, please feel free to give this video a like and a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. That's really about it. I just wanted to show you guys what my living room looks like and how it all came together. Let me know if you guys do like these kinds of videos. I would love to showcase more home videos and just tips and tricks on how to make your home, especially those who are living in an apartment, how to make it feel more like home and not just an apartment. So let me know if you guys would like more of those videos, but without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right into the video. Hey guys, so this is a quick overview of my space. So my space is really open, and we have our living room and our dining room and our kitchen, which are all just kind of one big space, which I absolutely love. But of course, for this video, we are talking about the living room. So when I was thinking about curating this space, I just really wanted some of that 1920s feel with a little bit of that deco feel as well. And I don't know, I think I really achieved it with a little bit of contemporary in there as well. So this is what the space looks like overall. I absolutely love that the walls are already white. I love white walls. I just think it looks very clean, and it's very nice. And I just love everything about clean white walls. So this is just kind of an overview. I love the color of our couch. It's this really beautiful cognac color. And we picked this couch up from Pottery Barn, but I'll go into more detail about that. So first we'll start off with this little area right here. These lamps I actually got from my previous job. I just changed out the lampshades on them, and then the side table, I picked up both of these side tables from World Market. I love the gold accent with them. Like I stated earlier, the couch we actually picked up from Pottery Barn. We ended up getting it on a really great sale. These photos right here I had custom made from Etsy. I think that they are so cute. I just wanted to do 3 big photos to fill up that space, and each one of these photos represents something important to us in our life. So the first was Frankfurt, Germany. That's where I was born. Downtown New York is like one of my favorite places I've ever been to. And then Billund, Denmark is actually where my boyfriend's aunt lives, and she actually helped us pack up our home last Christmas. She was staying with us. But yeah, so this couch is from Pottery Barn. I love the color of it. I've always wanted a classic Chesterfield couch. I think it's so beautiful. So next we'll go into the curtains. We ended up picking up our curtain rod from Pottery Barn, and then our white curtains are actually from IKEA. So we got 2 packs of them, and each pack comes with 2 sets of them. And so we ended up getting just 2 of them to just fill up the window. We have huge windows, which I love, and they were really inexpensive. And I've always wanted a pop of cobalt blue in my home as well. So I absolutely love these chairs. And I think they go really well with the white and the cognac color. We ended up picking up this chair from Amazon. It's a set of 2 of them, and I just love the gold accents. I think that they went really well with our side tables from World Market. This coffee table right here is another piece that I got from my old job. We were cleaning out one of our old models, and my manager let me have it, and so I've had it ever since, and I just love it. The book that's inside of this glass coffee table is from Pottery Barn as well. It's the Louis Vuitton book. And then our rug is actually from Target. So I wanted to add some greenery into my home. So we picked up this Majesty plant from Lowe's. And then the base is from West Elm. So the pot and the base are from West Elm. Great deal. I always have candles burning in my home. Picked that candle up from Bath & Body Works. This credenza right here is actually part of a bedroom set that my great-grandmother gifted to me years ago, and I just absolutely love it. These used to have white knobs on them, but we changed out the knobs from Anthropologie and added these to just make it a little bit more modern. And I love how just changing out something as simple as the knobs can just really elevate a piece. I always have fresh flowers in my home. I love these, this little bird cage. I picked this up again for my last job. And then these 2 little rectangular side lamps are from IKEA. We've had these since our very first apartment. But I just love the accents of them as well. And then this basket right here is also from Pottery Barn. And then these pillows are going to be from Home Goods. We just store like our blanket in there, and then just a nice little throw blanket, and then our pillows as well. But I just thought that was really cute. Again, I love the color of our floor, and then how our rug goes really well with it. And that's it, guys. And then it just kind of flows back into our living room. Alright, love, so that is it for my living room tour. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope that, you guys are able to get some inspiration. If you guys like these kinds of videos, just please let me know. Give me a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Everything that I talked about will be linked down below, and if for some reason it's sold out or I can't find it, like for instance, I think the knobs that I got from Anthropologie, I don't think they have those anymore, so I'll try to link something somewhat similar, or I'll try to link some other knobs that I feel like would go really good with a credenza that's very similar to what we have. One of the things that I hope that you guys take away from this is that it doesn't matter how small your space is, like you can curate your space and make your space feel like home, whether you're in a studio, a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, it does not matter. Just because you are in an apartment doesn't mean that you have to only buy pieces from IKEA because this is not your long-term investment home, you know? You guys to understand that, like, if you are spending your days and your nights here in whatever space you are in, that is your home. It is okay to invest in an apartment. It is okay to buy a nice couch when you live in an apartment. It is okay to buy a nice dining room set when you live in an apartment. All right, loves, I don't really have much else to say aside from I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. That is my cue to go. Bye, guys.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying